Ever feel like your car's interior is just a little uninspired? This automatic shift, knob and boot combo from KHFAXTYK might just be the refresh you didn't know you needed. It promises to bring a touch of premium feel to your center console, and honestly, it delivers. The moment you unbox it, you can tell this isn't some cheap plastic replacement. It's genuine leather, and you can feel that quality right away. The stitching looks solid, and the black color is deep and rich, giving it a really sophisticated look. Installation is supposed to be straightforward, designed to fit specific automatic vehicles, so checking that Amazon fitment filter is crucial before you buy. It's meant to replace your existing shift knob and boot, transforming that everyday interaction into something a bit more enjoyable. The part numbers, 23,460,364 and 23,107,739, are key if you're trying to match it up with your car's original specs. What's really impressive is how it feels in your hand. The leather is smooth and comfortable, making shifting feel more precise and less utilitarian. It's the kind of small upgrade that makes a big difference in your daily commute. You're touching this part of your car constantly, so having something that feels good and looks great is a real win. The 20-pound weight might seem a bit much for just a knob and boot, but it suggests a solid construction, not flimsy at all. It's a complete package, coming with both the knob and the boot, ensuring a cohesive look and feel. This isn't just about aesthetics, though. A well-made shift knob can actually improve the driving experience, making those gear changes feel more connected. For anyone looking to elevate their car's interior without a massive overhaul, this KHFAXTYK set is a seriously compelling option. It's a 100% new product, arriving in factory packaging, so you know you're getting something pristine. It's a simple, effective way to add a touch of luxury and improved ergonomics to your automatic transmission vehicle. Overall, this KHFAXTYK automatic shift knob and boot set is a fantastic upgrade. It's well made, looks great, and feels even better. If you're looking for a subtle yet impactful change to your car's interior, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.